Hi my friends, I wrapped a blanket around me. I'm going to do a WikiEATia video for you tonight. Not about a pig in a blankie, pigs in a blanket or whatever you call it. But it's actually beef in a blanket now. I don't know why they don't call it cow in a blanket, but they call a pig in a blanket, but they don't call it a cow in a blanket. Should I call it a moo in a blanket, or should I call it a dog in a blanket? You tell me. I wrapped a blanket around me and I'm going to eat some and read some from Wikipedia, since this is going to be a WikiEATia video for you tonight, so stay tuned. Should I say moo moo or woof woof? Or oink oink? No, it's not going to be a piggy. Look at what I have. Whoa. Yummy. I knew you were coming, so these are for you. There you go. You're welcome. We will be reading and eating. Pigs in a blanket. Pigs in a blanket. I don't know what that says, defective. Also pig in a blanket. That's the same. It's a variety of different sausage-based foods in the United States, United Kingdom, Denmark, Republic of Ireland, Germany, Belgium, Russia, Canada, and Japan. The sausage center varies depending on geographic location. E.g., Cumberland is a favored variety in the UK, while it is virtually unknown in the USA. Geography also dominates the form of a blanket with bacon being the most common choice in the UK, while Americans choose pastry. I hope I baked it long enough. The caraway seeds on it, poppy seeds, and Parmesan cheese on that blanket. I could have left it in the oven a little bit longer. It was getting so nice and brown on the top. I didn't want it to burn. That beautiful pastry blanket. That delicious pastry blanket. I hope I look alright. The butler is here too. Please give him a thumb up for helping tonight. He stayed late tonight just for you. How do you like your food, butler? Thank you for staying overtime so I could make the video. Pigs in a blanket. Type sausage wrapped in bacon. Main ingredients: hot dog, I said moo earlier, and beef because it's called a pig in a blanket, but this particular hot dog is beef. Variations wrapped in bacon, filled with cheese. Pancake wrap. That's what I will make. That's what I will do. Can you even see me? Yeah. Butler, are there more than 4? In the oven some more? It's okay. Just enjoy your food. Do you like your food, don't you? Many are large, but other recipes call for a dish that is small in size. And can be eaten in 1 or 2 bites. I'm not even gonna try and eat it in 1 bite. Why should I? I like to savor my food. Is it slowly but surely? My headscarf keeps sliding off. It's a slippery one on my slippery hair. You like it? You like your food? For this reason they are commonly served as an appetizer, or I still haven't learned how to say that word correctly, sorry. But being tongue-tied for a sec, because that pig in a blanket was so good. So I couldn't think straight for a second, because I was somewhere else, in delicious heaven somewhere. I can't say horse de reviewer, eh? Certainly not from a horse, you know. It is a French word. Somehow or somewhere. I almost say something I'll regret later too, so I'm gonna have to tell you in a moment how to pronounce it. This hand. Which hand do I use to turn the camera off? Hold on. Hold on, the butler is coming to my rescue.
Hors d'œuvre.
Hors d'œuvre.
Hors d'œuvre.
Hors d'œuvre. Hors d'œuvre.
Hors d'œuvre.
Thank you, lady. I appreciate it. For this reason, they are commonly served as an appetizer or hors d'oeuvre, or are accompanied by other items during the main course. Looks like a main meal for me today. In the United States, pig in a blanket are a breakfast item. Oh, good morning. What a nice morning that is. But I can't wait and save the others for breakfast. I won't sleep all night. I'll be crying out of the refrigerator, eat me, eat me, eat me. They will. Mm-hmm. In the United States, pigs in a blanket are a breakfast item, owing to their pastry blanket. A small bite-sized form is a common hors d'oeuvre, I think they say. I hope I said it right. Served at cocktail parties and is often accompanied by a mustard or aioli dipping sauce. What is? Aioli, I think. It's just like they make for the noodles, I think. Hold on just a sec. I'll be right with you. Yay. I'm getting my cardamom tea. Butler, please. Pigs in a blanket, more please. Please give the butler lots of thumbs up. Here, butler. Thank you. Pigs in a blanket are different from sausage rolls, consisting of a sausage meat different in flavor, texture, and appearance to an actual sausage. Wrapped in flaky pastry, these are mainly eaten in the United Kingdom, Australia, Canada, and New Zealand as a lunchtime snack. It says orthography. I don't know if I said that correctly. I don't know what it is. United Kingdom, United States, and elsewhere. See also references, eternal links. I want to see what aioli is. Aioli dipping sauce. I clicked on it. Doesn't show anything. Yeah. Aioli. Aioli. Of garlic, salt, and olive oil in a mortar. Yeah, I thought they do that. I never really knew how to say it correctly. They put that on the noodles. It's a Mediterranean sauce made of garlic and olive oil. Some regions use other emulsifiers such as egg. The names mean garlic and oil. You can go read about it there. Do you want to click on United Kingdom now? I think the butler is cooking them. Oh, the others weren't baked. That's what it is. Look at a Christmas dinner serving in the UK. The pigs in blanket are at top right. I don't know if I see a blanket. Refers to, in the United Kingdom, pigs in blankets refers to small sausages, usually chipolatas, wrapped in bacon. I don't know if I said that right. They are a traditional accompaniment to roast turkey in a Christmas dinner. Oh, what a Christmas dinner that will be. The naming of this food, sausage wrapped in bacon, as pigs in blankets in the UK, is relatively recent, since 1990, and there were previously regional variations, including wrapped sausages. The pastry versions are only ever referred to as sausage rolls, varying in size from cocktail bites to jumbo versions that are a complete snack. Let me ask the, well, no, I'm not going to ask the butler anything. I'll leave him in peace so he can bake those in the oven. United States. In the United States, the term pigs in a blanket typically refers to hot dogs and croissant rolls, but may include Vienna sausages, cocktail or breakfast link sausages baked inside biscuit dough or croissant dough. The dough is sometimes homemade, but canned dough is most common. Pancake dough is also sometimes used, although this combination is more commonly served like a corn dog and sold as a pancake on a stick. That sounds good. I'm acting a little bit silly again. Let me drink something more. Pigs in a blanket are somewhat similar to a sausage roll. The larger variety is served as a quick and easy main course or a light meal, particularly for children, at breakfast or brunch, while the smaller version is served as an appetizer. In Texas, they are also referred to as collages. I think that's how you say it, despite the term being a slight misnomer. Misnomer? I don't know how you say to it. Hold on, I'm gonna go get my sausages now. Not sausages, pigs in a blanket. I'm filming on a 2 GB memory stick and I'm almost done with the memory stick. But I wanted to tell you many more things and eat some more pigs in a blanket. Oink oink. And I wanted to read some more so you can learn more. Let me show you the picture. Sausage wrapped in pancakes. Looks good. It says elsewhere. Let's click on elsewhere. The name can also refer to Czech American dish klobásnek. I don't know how to say it correctly. Maybe I did, maybe I didn't. The German Würstchen im Schlafrock. Würstchen im Schlafrock. You won't believe I'm German, but I've never heard it before. Of course I know what a Würstchen is. It's a sausage. And Schlafrock means a pyjama, a nightgown, really. Sausage in a dressing gown. 20 minutes later. I don't know if the camera moved. Oh, butler, please check. I had to bake the pigs in the blanket another 20 minutes. That's why it took 20 minutes. Yes, I'm in the camera. Let me show you now. They are baked pretty good now. They're a little bit dark, but I like it a little crunchy. It got a little bit blacker. Not black, but dark. Oh, I like that. The German Würstchen im Schlafrock, sausage in a dressing gown, uses sausages wrapped in puff pastry, or more rarely, pancakes. Cheese and bacon are sometimes present. Not to be confused with the English pig-in blanket, which it is not. Also, pig-in blanket is different in England than that one in Germany. In Russia, this dish is called, I'll show you the letters, and hold on just a sec. Sausage and dough. In Israel, the butler is eating with me. Butler, you okay? Tastes good? In Israel, Moses in the basket. I don't know how you say it, I'll show you later too. It's a children's dish consisting of a hot dog rolled in a ketchup-covered sheet of puff pastry or phyllo dough and baked. Oh, yay! I'll show you. In Denmark, there's a dish similar to the British-style dish known as this. I'll show you later, because I don't know how to read it, which means sausage in blanket. Usually sold at hot dog stands known as this, like sausage wagons. The American-style pigs in a blanket are known as this, meaning sausage horns. In Finland, pigs in blanket are known as WikiEATia. I don't know how to say it, I'll show you. Which means hidden sausage if it is translated freely. In Mexico, the sausage is wrapped in a tortilla and deep fried in vegetable oil. The name? Taco, I don't think I said it right. I'll show you later. Comes from the fusion of the word salchicha. Oh, I don't know. I'm sorry about that, guys. And taco, sausage taco. My very last bite. The sausage slipped in my mouth. All I have is left is this. In both Australia and New Zealand, pig in a blanket is a cocktail. Frankfurter wrapped in bacon and or puff pastry. In China, or Chinese sausage wrapped in pastry is called lap jiang bao. Oh, I didn't say that right. And is steamed rather than baked. In southern Canton, particularly Hong Kong, a sausage wrapped in pastry is called, can't say that either, I'll show you later, a hot dog bun, and it's baked instead of being steamed. In Estonia, they are referred to as, I can't read that either, I'll show you later, which means sausage pastry. In Serbia, the dish has a name. This, I'll tell you later, show you later. Literally, had a dog roll. It's a very popular type of food, fast food in Serbia. I could at least eat 4 more. But I have no more. I have no more. But don't cry. After a little while, it won't be anymore. Yeah, I give you a pig's a pig. I had many of them. Pig in a blanket kiss for the final goodbye. Don't cry, because I'll be back. I know for sure. I love you, my friends. Thank you for watching. Bye. Pig in a blanket kiss. Bye, and many more. Ciao, ciao. Oh, wait, I forgot to tell you, show you what it's written like.